I was just not feeling it, to be honest, and I really just wanted junk food, and I gave into my craving.
Always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're
Hey guys, it is Heather here, and welcome back to my channel. My channel's all about my journey to lose 70 pounds with a little bit of lifestyle peppered in between. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I had a few days off in this week that I'm showing you. I had Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off, and I just got kind of lazy with recording and vlogging. Just tried to kind of enjoy my days off. So I did get some clips throughout the week here and there, and I will show you guys. I got my meal prep and my grocery haul, and then Monday, Tuesday, and a little bit of Wednesday, and then I kind of fell off track from there, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. I will show you those parts that I did record, and then I'll kind of hop on here when it's time for a weigh-in, and I'll talk to you guys about the second half of my week. And as always, if you don't want to watch certain parts of the video, I will have timestamps down in the description box below. Let's take a look at the first half of the week. Alright, here is my little grocery haul. I ordered from Hy-Vee because there were a couple things that I needed to get that Target didn't have. I have some shredded cheddar cheese, some reduced sodium chicken broth, 3 kombuchas. I got some ground beef, diced and tamed jalapenos, 2 avocados, 2 limes, corn tortillas, lettuce, some chili powder, a white onion, pico de gallo, cilantro, some snack-sized popcorn for snacks, and then I got some hominy.
funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know the sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border.
Good morning. I am eating my breakfast here. I made some 95 grams of red potatoes, 2 eggs over easy, and then I topped it with everything but the bagel seasoning and half an ounce of cotija cheese.
Life is in a stream. The ocean called for you and me. I don't know who you are. I don't know what you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no
Guys, I just made my breakfast. I made the same breakfast as yesterday, the red potatoes with 2 eggs and topped it with cotija cheese. It's a really good breakfast. Just eating quick before I head to the gym to go to Warrior Sculpt. I didn't get to check in last night. I had somewhere to be after work and I got home kind of late, but I did show a clip of what I ate. I had that Lauren Gleisberg taco lasagna. I was so hungry I inhaled it like right in the kitchen. So far so good this week. Hey guys, just logged off work. I forgot to show you guys I had got a Starbucks today after I went to the gym. I've got that brown sugar oat milk shaken. Now I am going to heat up the pozole that I made and have dinner, and I think it's just gonna be a relaxing night tonight. I probably will take a bath. This Is Us is on, so I'm gonna watch that in the bath and have some kombucha in a wine glass.
The ocean called for you. Still, I'm in this game, but without my closest friend. Fear, it's leaving now. I waited here, but nothing came. So I close my eyes, 'cause you reflect in everything.
It is my first day off. I am eating my breakfast here. I made the same breakfast I've been eating, red potatoes with 2 eggs, and this time I put pico de gallo instead of cotija cheese on top. Hey guys, so I went out and got some Starbucks just now. I'm dragging a little today. For some reason, I'm just not in a good headspace today. I woke up on the wrong side of the bed and I'm just kind of blah. So I'm not gonna force myself to do anything right now. I am going to work on some YouTube stuff and some blog stuff and kind of try to get caught up on that. Okay, so you saw a little bit of my first half of the week, not so bad. The last half of the week, the last week or so actually, I've just felt really tired and worn down and just not feeling it. I think there's a number of factors. My period's coming. I did lower my calories, so I have less energy going into my body. More recently anyway, there was a time change. I'm hoping now that my period is gonna be starting here, my energy will kind of come back up, but we'll see. Towards the end of the week, like on Thursday, I was just not feeling it, to be honest. I ate quite a bit, no excuses. I just didn't feel like eating what I had made. I really just wanted junk food. That's all it really came down to. I wasn't feeling any sort of emotion other than tired. The first week on my reset, I kind of figured that I would not do so well, but I did do a lot better than I was thinking I would. And now going into this second week, as I showed you here, that kind of caught up with me and I gave into my cravings on Thursday. Let me just get my calorie tracker out here because I completely forgot. It's like Tuesday when I'm filming this, Tuesday the next week, so I kind of sometimes forget about my weeks. So I ate about 2,500 calories on Thursday. The day started out pretty well. I had my regular breakfast. I went to Target. I remember that. I went to Target and got a bunch of crappy food. I got some chips. I got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. For some reason, I was just craving Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Pop, very calorie dense, so you don't need much to go over your calories. Oh, and I also had a Snickers. Considering what I ate, the damage wasn't terrible, but it wasn't the best either. And I just completely gave into my cravings. I did not work out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, nothing. I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. I'm not here to try to put out this perfect image of what my weight loss journey is. People can judge all they want, but until someone is in the position of having to lose weight or having an emotional eating problem, they just don't understand. You know, maybe sometimes we have people in our lives who are not as supportive as we would like. Maybe they judge our weight loss journey because they don't understand it. They don't struggle with food, they don't struggle with emotional eating, they have never had a weight problem, and they just don't understand what it's like mentally to go through a weight loss journey. But as long as you keep going and you continue on the path towards weight loss and you're proud of yourself, that's all that matters. We don't need that outside noise telling us what is good and what about our weight loss journey is dumb or doesn't work or whatever. This is our weight loss journey. Everyone's journey is different. Some people, it's easy for them. They set a calorie goal or a target and they just sail right through their journey. Other people like me, it's not so easy. It's not just about the numbers. It's about getting to a place mentally and emotionally where you can have a healthy relationship with yourself and you're not leaning on food to comfort you or to make you feel better. And it's a struggle. Know that you're not alone if you struggle with the same things as I do. We're all in this together. Let's just keep going and keep persevering because we will get there someday. We just continue on. But anyway, let's get to the weigh-in. So last week I lost 1.8 pounds. It was a great start to my weight loss reset. So let's see what I weighed this week. Even with going off just a little bit and even with my period coming to a start soon and being bloated, I did lose 1 pound, which I'm very proud of. I'm thinking that this reset with the calories is working, so I am happy with how it turned out this week. Another pound lost and I am getting closer and closer to the 150s, which is one of my goals for March if you haven't checked that out on Instagram. But anyway, that will wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And